Cadladge Island Dreams. Yan ang bibigyan ng first impression sa video ito. Alright, so si Cadladge Island Dreams, nabili natin sa marketplace and the price is less than 2,000 pesos. Now, bakit nga ba natin siya binili? It's because it's one of the dupes of Louis Vuitton Symphony. And of course, we're curious kung anong amoy ni Louis Vuitton Symphony. Sabi kasi sa mga review, this is one of the dupes na very close kay amoy ni Symphony. Alright, so in terms of the presentation, it has a nice presentation, a nice blue box, tapos may branding sa harapan. Oh, and then it says extract the perfume. So Island Dreams, and then may Cadladge dito. Then, of course, what's nice about Cadladge is sa kanyang box, kita nyo dito, meron ng notes na nakalagay kagad. So, you don't really have to check on the notes online. Sabi dito, top notes niya is bergamot, ginger, and heart note of grapefruit accord, base notes of ambroxan and musk. Alright, so as mentioned earlier, hindi pa tayo nakakamoy ng Louis Vuitton Symphony. So, kinda excited na amoyin si Cadladge Island Dreams. Alright, so the bottle itself, ganda. Ang kanyang cap is gold, and then may branding sa harapan also na Island Dreams Cadladge. And then, para siyang multi-tone. Alright, so clear medyo clear sa ilalim, frosted glass. And then sa ibabaw, medyo para siyang green, alright, na color. So, meron siyang dots all around for additional grip. Okay, and then cap niya is gold na medyo mabigat. Okay, gawa siya sa bakal. And of course, the atomizer is also colored gold. Okay, so let's do 2 sprays on our left wrist. Okay, sorry. And then let's go ahead and wait for a few seconds. Actually, I checked on Fragrantica already, and I checked on main accords niya. It says fruit citrus, fresh spicy, musky, amber, powdery, and aromatic. So, okay. Wow! Ganda ng opening. Grabe. Amoy na amoy ko yung bergamot and yung grapefruit. Okay, hindi ganun yung ginger, pero yung ambroxan, na-amoy ko na rin. So, yun yung opening niya kagad. Bergamot, grapefruit, and ambroxan. Parang very fruity, very citrusy, very refreshing, nakakagana, nakakabuhay. Alam mo yun, pag naamoy mo siya, parang nagigising ka. Okay, kasi nga, yung kanyang fresh na scent na nakaka-inganyo. And I think this is a good scent this coming summer. Alright, and I think this is something that you can wear pagka lalabas ka, pupunta ka sa grocery, punta ka ng office, ng school, you know. So, very good perfume na pwede mong gamitin for those kinds of occasion. Actually, pwede rin siya sa date nights and dinner out. Okay, pero mostly, since this is a very fresh, very citrusy kind of scent, it's very suggested na, you know, you can use this for this summer season. If you're going to the beach, or going out na mainit, you know, you definitely go ahead and use this perfume. Okay? So, yan na muna ang ating review for tonight's video. Pasensya na, medyo may konting short throat tayo. Pero, I'll try to go ahead and test this perfume the next couple of days, and I'll let you know how it performs on my skin and on my clothes. Alright? So, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much. Bye!